we going?
I'm going to catch turtles.
You're getting good at this, Hayes.
Which way?
That way.
Don't wanna play games up with the moves. Don't wanna meditate, girl. With you it's hard. Fill in the blanks, text me back, throw me a kiss instead of.
What's going on, Steph?
I don't know, but it's cool. I feel like a pirate.
I wanna celebrate, you know.
So he's not wrong. This morning we are going to Apo Island, which is famous for snorkeling and diving, maybe? We're snorkeling. And sea turtles. And we're on this boat that I've never been on a boat like this. I'm sure they have a name. I've seen them in a lot of videos in the Philippines, but it's pretty cool. And we're the only ones, so we have it to ourselves.
Our togetherness, both mine and flesh. We know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mine and flesh. We know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mine and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mine and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mine and flesh. Only we know how it goes.
I've never in my life seen water this clear or this blue.
You crying.
I'm
What's happening, Mommy?
You put Daddy's hat on me. Okay, where to begin? First of all, we noticed recently that our GoPro is like not entirely sealed, so we're nervous to take it underwater, which is a really big shame for today. Hey, so yeah, despite having made over 100 videos on this channel, which I can't believe, we still mess up all the time and aren't able to use our equipment the way we're supposed to, which got me thinking I should probably spend some time learning how to improve these vlogs. Which brings me to today's video sponsor, Skillshare.
Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes.
For anyone who loves learning and is looking to explore their creativity and learn new skills. We recently discovered Nathaniel Drew through two of our other favorite YouTubers, Kara and Nate, and we're excited to see his class, Creativity Unleashed, Discover, Hone, and Share Your Voice Online.
Boys!
We began traveling back in September, almost a year ago, and made the decision to try to document our travels in an authentic way so that Hayes could look back on all of these experiences he may not remember. Nathaniel's class has been really helpful in helping us develop our voice and also just gain some understanding of this wild new world of creating content on YouTube. From photography and illustration to graphic design, freelancing, and more, you can find classes to suit your interests online on Skillshare.
And the first 1,000 people to use the link in our description will get a 1-month free trial on Skillshare. Go check it out.
All right, Hayes has just woken up from his nap, so now back to the boat.
We went in the ocean and instantly saw like 3 or 4 turtles.
Like inches. Like we were swimming over them like less than, like I was on a bunk bed with a turtle, but the bunk bed was like really not high. Best way I can just, I really wish I could show you.
This is gonna sound really obnoxious, but this is one of those places that you're just gonna have to come and see for yourself because it's amazing. I mean, that's so cool.
It is true, because I've watched so many videos and they put in the underwater footage of the turtles and I'm like, wow, that's cool. But it's not nearly as cool as when you're doing it yourself. And we were in Sri Lanka in January and we swam with some turtles and this was way cooler. Like way closer, way clearer,
And
way more.
And a lot less people. I think the issue with Sri Lanka is that there was a lot of people trying to like touch the turtles, which was really not good. So here, I mean, there's just like so much space, there's tons of turtles, but everyone's being really respectful and you're not near anybody, so it's great.
The other thing I didn't know, I think this is like technically my first time for real snorkeling, and the guy, there's like a guide that shows you where the turtles are, and he like had this ring, and then I was like trying to swim or whatever. He's like, no, you relax. I did still swim, but like he just pulls you around, then he showed us the reef. He knows where everything is. Is that normal? People that snorkel a lot, I don't know. I'm sure there's like free snorkeling too, but it was really cool to like be with somebody that was an expert and pointing out the fish. I mean, I guess I've never done this before. It was great. Almar was fantastic.
Hayes, on the other hand, unfortunately got a bit freaked out by it all, so he spent most of the time on the beach. But yeah, it's good.
But when we came back, when Pete was, the poor Almar had to do everything 2 times because we had to do it once with me, and then I would go watch Hayes on the beach, and then Pete would go out. So when we got back to the boat, Japheth spotted a turtle out the front that Hayes could see just from the boat. So that was really special. So he still got to see it, and I didn't have the camera out there then, because I was trying to make sure he didn't jump off the boat. But he was saying, "Turtle, come here, come to our boat, come to our boat." And it was cute.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this. What a welcome back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So that was incredible. What's also incredible is coming back to this incredible pool suite. We're gonna have some pizza, we're gonna see if Hayes will have a nap, and we're gonna hang out at the resort all afternoon. By the way, let me just show you where we're staying. It's one of Atmosphere's pool villas, which sounds ridiculous even saying. I've never stayed in a private pool villa. I don't know that we ever will again. This is unbelievable. I'll show you the pool last, but that's just quickly, I wanna show you the room. So you come in, and it is so spacious. I mean, so much room in here. There's a massive, massive bed. And then the cool part is that this sofa is actually a sofa bed. So we've pulled that out for Hayes to sleep on at night. Another great touch is that there's a water tank that they fill with water each day. So you always have fresh water. Lovely TV area. Tons and tons of storage for our bags, which is great since we have been traveling for almost a year now. And then the very best part, not the best part, the pool's the best part. The next best part is this bathroom. It is entirely open air. You've got his and her vanities, an open air shower with 2 shower heads, which has been amazing because we've been showering with Hayes, honestly as a family, every night after the pool. And then you can look up at the palm trees and the sky. And I mean, this bathroom is bigger than apartments I've had. It's huge. Okay, now let's go see what you've been waiting for, the private pool. What I love about this is that there's plenty of space to lounge. You've got both your lounge chairs and the seating area over here that we've been hanging out at night after we put Hayes to bed, having a glass of wine. And then of course the best part is this private pool. So I put a picture up on Instagram, and one of my friends who I think has actually stayed in private pools said, "That is so big," and I have no comparison because it's not something we do regularly, but it's like almost a full-size swimming pool. It's been so great. It's deep enough to swim. There's steps for Hayes to kind of lounge and play on, and then it's so lush, covered by all these trees, and very, very private, but also very, very close to the public pools and the restaurant and the bar. It's been amazing. So anyway, that is the room, that is the pool. We cannot recommend this place highly enough. It is absolutely lovely, it's relaxing. There's tons of stuff to do. The staff is lovely, the other guests are nice. We've made friends here. It's just been a really great place to stay. We can't wait to show you more and some of the other excursions we got up to while we were here.